Hey, everybody. Good morning. Just get situated here in my dining room. There. Hey, how's it going? So what if we just be here for a moment together, lowering your barriers and playing energetically. How often are we distracted and not being present with the people in our lives? There's so much going on. So we can just take a few moments and practice being present, being expanded, and seeing how that might change our day. And if anybody's joining live and you want to pop something in the chat, I'm happy to hear from you. So even perceive the space around you just going, and this peacefulness coming over your body. Maybe the thoughts in your head start to disappear. I wonder if we weren't trying to be distracted, like what would you be aware of? What would you like to create? Would you be more aware of your energy in the world and less perceiving of other people around you? Or maybe less attention on, because you'll still perceive it. We're like these big satellite dishes, and we pick up all these other stations. And it's like we've got the remote, and we're like, click, 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 aware of everybody else's thoughts and feelings and emotions. But we can put our attention on our own channel as well. And it doesn't mean that we're not aware of all the other ones too, but we can put our attention on what we're creating, what we'd like to be in the world, what we are being in the world, and create more and be more of what we've come here to be. So begin to expand beyond your body. Begin to fill the space of the room that you're in. Giving your body a hug with space, with the space of you. And continue going further and further out in all directions, encompassing the planet, encompassing the stars and other planets in the solar system and beyond. What if everything is inside of you? Can you receive from it all and still be you? And what if you could? What would that be like? Notice how the molecules in your body are starting to shake and tingle and move and vibrate. maybe with some excitement, some joy, the possibility. And connecting to every single person who's either on this live video or will be watching in the future. What if we could all be contributing to each other? What if we are? And when we acknowledge it, it gets stronger. So let's look into the future of this week and beyond, if you like, and put some of this space that we're creating into your week, into all the things that you're creating, so that it shows up with ease and with joy and with more possibilities. What if we didn't have to lock things down and we could have space so that we can make minor adjustments as we're moving forward and creating like the happy surprises and more possibilities each day, each moment. What are you aware of? And what can you be that would create the future you'd truly like to be living? And notice the energy that opens up when you ask that question, the lightness of it. And follow that lightness. See what it creates. Wow. Feels really nice. Thank you guys for joining. One of these days, I'm going to figure out how to do a Zoom on the Facebook Live so that we can all have our faces together, because I'd like to see your beautiful faces. All right, have an amazing week. I'll see you guys next Monday. Bye. Mwah.